Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel yet again. Iron Horse Entertainment today for you. We're working on the Ram again. So it's time for some brakes. There's an old ball joint. Time for some brakes action and everything like that. Figured I'd bring y'all along for the ride. So that is what the old brake pads look like on the front. Just for a comparison, there's the new one on the right, and again the rear, and then the new rear on the left. So, or I meant right. I don't know why I was saying rear, but anyhow, welcome back to the channel yet again. Drop a like, a comment, and subscribe if you don't mind. So, I already went ahead. I wanted to get these old ones on the front out so that I could show y'all what they look like and how beat up they were. Select ceramic. Okay. Anyways, we got the nice pretty ones in there. Let's see. You have to go around the top. There we go. So the pads that I'm using are NAPA fleet pads. My buddy's down at the NAPA dealership hooked me up with a set of these. Appreciate it, guys. Eric, Travis, if y'all are watching, y'all rock. Didn't want to go with just the regular cheap ones, just because gonna be hauling skid steers and D5s and stuff like that with this rig, so need to be able to stop. Disc brake conversion for the rear end is coming soon, but that's for another video. So like I said, I already did this side because I wanted to get the old pieces out to show y'all. So now we'll jump over to the other side. Alright, so we're on the other side now. You can see these old pads looking nasty. I already loosened this one up, so she's got a little bit to give to her. We'll have to expand her a little bit more. But what you'll need from start to finish to get these bad boys out and the new ones in is some vice grips, crowbar, Allen key, a little rubber mallet that I like to use just to give them soft little taps, another pry bar, your new brake pads, and a cinder block. You're going to start by removing this bolt and that bolt on the back side of your caliper. Folks, thank you for coming on the ride again today. Overview, a little brake work and everything like that, and as you can see, that's a little bit different. That is a little bit different too, and that is brand new. So we've got a lot of stuff to cover. It's been too long since I posted a video. Lots of good stuff going on with the Cummins, big moves coming with the Camaro and the Harley, and we're even going to be the fabled F-150, and we got a racing lawnmower now. The possibilities are endless. I'm gonna be broke for the next 10-15 years, but I'm gonna make some cool videos for y'all. So once again, Iron Horse Entertainment signing off. Appreciate you watching. If you watched all the way through to this point, like, subscribe, drop a comment, invite a friend over, and just, I don't know, shit, have a good day. See y'all. Alrighty, so we got these bolts backed out. They sink down to about right here inside this fitting, and then you back them out, and then they'll be loose, and then as you can see there, it's not loosening up anymore. So once they get to that point, you know that they're fully backed out. Then you just go ahead and you follow the grooves and you yank her off. Once your caliper's off, that's where the cinder block comes in handy. So to get the pads off, you just pull that one straight out. Got those two teeth on the top. They go in the groove down there, and then these two little clips go inside that caliper. So jump. And then for the outside piece, let's see if I can do this with one hand. Might need two hands, but essentially you just pull these tabs and it comes out. Then you put the new shiny guys back on there. Clips are in the little rivets right there. That boy is all clipped up, and you throw her back on. Then once you got her back on, you gotta, so the hole for this is somewhere in there on the back side, like down that crack. So You gotta just eyeball it, wiggle this caliper back and forth for the top and the bottom until you find it. Make sure you don't cross thread it. Back it out a turn, make sure she sets good, and then hammer her down. Okay, never mind. Don't use the hammer. Just tighten it down and it'll be fine.